This one's for douche pool. So as you can see, we have our little cat here in the window. Hold on. So as you can see, we got our little cat there in the window. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab douche pool right there. We're gonna scare the cat. Alright, I've been interrupted repeatedly by my granny, or my nana. So hopefully we can do this without any interruptions. So we see our cat in the window. No, you do not move your cat in the window. Jess, what have I told you? Alright, this one's for douche pool. You see you got a little cat in here. We're gonna grab douche pool. We're gonna scare the cat. The cat's not gonna see it coming. It'll work, trust me. One